Hi guys, this is for my name is Chandni Naiko and my student ID is 1435258 and today I'm going to do the assignment 1 for network architecture and protocol that is showing on my screen right now. And usually it's an assignment that we need to do a video presentation. We need to use our physical machine along with two Ubuntu's and two FreePBX, which is a VoIP server. And we need to use a software as well, like Zoipa or Xlite. But for this assignment, since I couldn't use Zoipa itself because I was having trouble downloading it, so I just left my assignment one like halfway, you can say, but I'm still doing it, explaining the basic and the use of this assignment. So on my screen, you can see that I've opened all my screens. Up here you can see Ubuntu's, which I'm gonna log in, and then this one as well. So basically the FreePBX one is connected to the Ubuntu one, and then Ubuntu 2 is connected to the FreePBX 2. But basically we need to create extension and trunks in this assignment to make the calls and everything. But I've created the extension and the trunks, but I couldn't do much further with Zoipa. I've tried everything, even Xlite or whichever, but nothing worked for me. So up here you can see that if I start pinging all my machine, they will. If from my FreePBX1 I ping Ubuntu 1, which is 192.168.156.110, it's gonna send the answers. And if I do the same thing from Ubuntu 1, pinging my FreePBX1, it's still gonna send answers over there as well. So basically there was nothing wrong with my setup because I've already checked everything. And now from my Ubuntu 2, I'm gonna ping FreePBX2. So ping 192.68.56.102. And I'm gonna do the same thing as well here on my FreePBX1, on FreePBX2, sorry. So 111. And ping up here as well. So here we go. Everything is working perfectly, but still got no idea why I couldn't even use Zoipa. And I'm just gonna go on my Google Chrome for the FreePBX, and up here you can see that I'm on the FreePBX1 and FreePBX2 as well is open. I'm going to show you where is my extension. Basically virtual extension, we can even call it as a virtual number. It is a phone number sort of that can forward to another phone number as well. So connectivity, it's application extension. Here we go. My extension name was 200. I'm just gonna show you both extension as well. So here we go. Display name was my nickname. Outbound CID was 200, and I left everything default. I'm just gonna do submit. Voicemail, this advanced, everything was left like that. And now I'm gonna do back and show you the second extension as well. So this one was for the Ubuntu one as well. Then connectivity, we need to do outbound routes as well, but first of all let me go to FreePBX1. FreePBX2 I mean, application extension. So my extension name for FreePBX1 was 301, connecting to Ubuntu 2. And then on this one, the trunks, I made the trunk 300 to 200. So trunk name trunk 300 to 200, outbound caller ID 300 to 200 again. So in case, even though if the assignment was gonna work, I put the continue if busy. Even though if it's busy, I'm still gonna get the call. And the dial manipulation rules, it was 2XX. And the PG SIP setting, username, I put my nickname, my secret password, authentication outbound. SIP server was the IP address of the FreePBX1. I'm just gonna do back again and show you the outbound routes. So route 300 to 200 FreePBX2. Here we go. Normal congestion and everything. Dial pattern 2XX again. This one. Basically, the importance of creating the trunk was basically trunk is a pathway into or out of a telephone system. A trunk connects a PBX to outside resources such as a telephone line. Basically, the telephone line can be the ZOIPA, which is a soft phone, or additional FreePBX. Trunks can be physical or they can be virtual by routing calls to another endpoint using IP links. That's why we need the outbound routing. And outbound, so the trunks for this one was trunk 200 to 300. Here we go, the trunk name, trunk 200 to 300, the outbound caller ID. And this one I left it as 3XX, the PG SIP setting. So up here you can see that the SIP server, I connected it to the IP address of FreePBX2. So yeah, that's it. If I would have completed the assignment, I would have shown you more, but the importance of this assignment was basically to create the extension, and through the extension the trunk, and then through the trunk make the two soft phone call each other. It's just the echo of the ZOIPA, like of the soft phone that we needed to, but for some reason I couldn't even do it because I already downloaded it, but for some reason I couldn't even set it up, so that's why I was just stuck on it. But even though I still did it. Thank you.